Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our chapter decimal with exercise 8.6. In exercise 8.5 we have seen how we can add different decimal numbers. Now in 8.6 we will learn how we can subtract decimal number. Let's see from question number 1. But the rule for addition and subtracting decimal number is same. That is, we have to keep decimal just below the other. Okay. So first of all we will see the A part. In A part the question is subtract rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. एक और चीज आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन में ध्यान में रखनी है कि फ्रॉम के बाद जो भी नंबर है दैट विल कम बिफोर. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम कौन से लिखेंगे जो कि फ्रॉम के बाद नंबर है. तो फ्रॉम मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 18.25 को किसमें से 20.75 में से. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, I will write 20.75 at the top and then I will write 18.25. Point के नीचे point को लिखना है. Then we will subtract 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 2 5, decimal के नीचे decimal, 10 minus 8 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is coming rupees 2.50. Now similarly in B part we have to subtract 202.54 from 250. अब from 250 पहले आएगा. So 250 को हम क्या लिखेंगे 250.0. सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या करना है 202.54. So point then 202 5 and 4. The empty space I can fill it with 0 then minus. When I will subtract it 10 minus 4 that will become 6. 9 minus 5 4, decimal के नीचे decimal, this will also become 9 and this will become 4. 9 minus 2 7 4. Okay, so this is coming 47.46. Now we will see C part. C part में subtract करना है rupees 5.36. We will look at the C part. In C part the question is subtract rupees 5.36 from rupees 8.40. तो rupees 8.40 को हम पहले लिखेंगे और उसके नीचे हम क्या लिखेंगे rupees 5.36 माइनस करेंगे. दिस विल बिकम 10 and this will become 3. So 10 minus 6 is 4. It is coming rupees 3.04. Okay, now in D part it is subtract 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. 206 किलोमीटर में से हमें क्या माइनस करना है 2.051 किलोमीटर. ओके, तो इसको हम माइनस करेंगे. 6 minus 1 5. This will become 10. 10 minus 5 5. This will become 1. Okay, and 5 minus 2 3. So 3.155 kilometer. Now in E part question is 2.107 kg में से हमें माइनस क्या करना है 0.314 kg. 7 minus 4 3. 10 minus 1 this will become 10 and this will become 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now again this will become 1 and this will become 10. 10 minus 3 7. So 1.793 kg is the answer for E part. Now we will look at the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 में क्या find the value of माइनस करना है हमें 9.756 में से माइनस करना है 6.28. This will be replaced by 0. 15 minus 8 7. Then if this is becoming 15 this will become 6. 6 minus 2 4. Then 9 minus 6 3. So 3.476 is the answer. In B part this was A part. B part में क्या है 21.05 में से हमें माइनस क्या करना है 15.27 को माइनस करेंगे. दिस विल बिकम 15 और इसको 15 बनाने के लिए पहले मुझे इसको क्या बनाना पड़ेगा 10. ये कब बनेगा जब ये क्या बन जाएगा 0. And this has to become again 10 and this will become 1. So 15 minus 7 will be 8. 10 minus 2 8. 10 minus 5 5. So answer is coming 5.78. This will become 9 because this become 10, 10 से 15 बना तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 9. 5.78. Now for C part we will see. In C part the question is 18.5 में से माइनस क्या करना है हमें 6.79. 6.79. This will become 0. So this will become 10 and this will become 4. 10 minus 9 कितना हो गया 1. Now this will become 7 and this will become 14. So 7. Answer is coming 11.71. In D part the question is 11.6 minus 9.847. This will be replaced by 0. 10 minus 7 3. This will become 9 and this will become 10. And this will become 5. ठीक है? So and this will become 0. 10 minus 7 3. 9 minus 4 5. 15 minus 8 will become 7 and this will become 1. So 1.753 will be the answer. Now we will look at next. Now we will see the word problems related to it. First of all in question number 3. In question number 3 question is Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. Now how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? तो इसमें हमें क्या करना होगा अमाउंट गिवन टू शॉपकीपर. ये हमें समझ में आ गया. रिमेनिंग पूछा है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा माइनस अमाउंट गिवन टू शॉपकीपर इज रुपीज 50. उसको हम क्या लिखेंगे 50.00 या 15.0 लिख सकते हैं. नाउ कॉस्ट ऑफ बुक. बुक की हमारी कॉस्ट कितनी थी दैट वॉज रुपीज 35.65. सो रुपीज 35.65. Now money he got back. Money he got back. कितने रुपए उसको वापस मिले हैं? For that we have to minus. This will become 10. This will become 9, 9 and 4. So 5, 3, 4 and 1. So the answer will be rupees 14.35 we will get back from the shopkeeper. Now similarly we will look at question number 4. Question number 4 is Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. So money she had कितने रुपए थे उसके पास स्टार्टिंग में दैट वॉज रुपीज 18.50. देन कॉस्ट ऑफ आइसक्रीम. आइसक्रीम उन्होंने कितने की खरीदी है दैट इज रुपीज 11.75. Now the question is how much money does she have now? अब कितने बचे money left. Let's see how much money is left. We have to subtract 10 minus 5 5. This will become 4. So 14 minus 7 7. 7 minus 1 6. Okay, so the answer is will come 6.75. 6.75 उनके पास बचे हैं. Now we will look at question number 5. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. Total length of cloth. Total length of cloth कितनी है हमारी? That is 20 meter and 5 centimeter. 20 meter है 5 centimeter है. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth for making a कर्टेन. कर्टेन के लिए उन्होंने कितना कट किया है 4 मीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर फॉर कर्टेन. कर्टेन के लिए देख लीजिए कितना क्लॉथ है 4 मीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर क्लॉथ शी कट फॉर कर्टेन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच क्लॉथ इज लेफ्ट विद हर. सो क्लॉथ लेफ्ट इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा माइनस दिस आई विल राइट एज 0.5. Then I will subtract 5 minus 0.5. Now this will become 10 and this will become 9. This will become 1. So 55 centimeter and 15 meter. This will be the answer. In complete meter I can write it 15 plus 55 by 100. So that is 15 plus 0.55 which means 15.55 meter. ठीक है. तो पूरा अगर आप मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना चाहो सो इन दिस वे ऑल्सो वी कैन डू. नाउ फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज नमिता ट्रेवल्स 20 किलोमीटर 50 मीटर एवरी डे. ठीक है, एवरी डे कितना वो ट्रेवल करती हैं. आई एम राइटिंग स्टेटमेंट इन शॉर्ट, यू कैन राइट इट इन योर ओन वे ऑल्सो. 20 किलोमीटर एंड 50 मीटर. 50 मीटर को मैं लिखूंगी 050 मीटर. रीजन इज किलोमीटर और मीटर में 30 का गैप होता है. आउट ऑफ दिस शी ट्रेवल्स 10 किलोमीटर 200 मीटर बाय बस. 10 किलोमीटर एंड 200 मीटर शी इज ट्रेवलिंग बाय बस एंड रेस्ट बाय ऑटो. तो अब बाय ऑटो कितना है, हमें क्या करना है, माइनस करना है. 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5. This will become 10 and this will become 1. This will become 9. ठीक है, so 10 minus 2, 8. 850 मीटर. किलोमीटर में कितना आ जाएगा, 9 किलोमीटर and 850 मीटर. If I want to convert it into all in kilometer, sorry, this is all in, yes, meter only. 850 divided by 1000, which is equal to 9 plus 0.850 kilometer. That is 9.85 kilometer will be the answer. Now the last question we will see. Now let's look at the last question of this exercise, that is 7th question. 7th is Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this 3 kg 500 gram were onions. First of all total vegetables. Total vegetables हमारे कितने हैं, 10 kg. Okay. Then out of this onions का वेट कितना है, 3 kg 500 gram. After this he has also bought tomatoes, that is 2 kg 75 gram. 2 kg 75 gram is the weight of tomatoes. Okay, and at the end, and the rest is potatoes. So we have to find out the weight of potatoes. So first of all we will find out the weight of tomatoes and onion. Okay, that will be 575 gram and 5 kg. So this is the weight of onion and tomato. Now weight of potato, उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, टोटल में से इन दोनों का सम माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So that will be 10.000 और 10 kg 00 ग्राम. इसमें से माइनस क्या करना है, 5 kg 575 ग्राम. माइनस करेंगे, ये बन जाएगा 9. This is 9 and this will be 10. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 425 gram and 4 kg. So the answer is 4 kg 425 gram of potatoes. I can convert whole in the form of kg because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So 4 plus 0.425 kg. Okay, so that will be 4.425 kg. So this is the weight of potatoes. So in this way we have completed our exercise 8.6 in which we have learned how we can subtract decimal numbers, and we have done many questions related to word problems of subtraction of decimals. So in this way our chapter 8 is complete. The next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students.